I wanted to show you this like super cute craft activity that the company sent me that you can use for different reasons. It's really fun to make as like a craft, but then it also turns into a really cute nightlight. So I wanted to show you how you do it. It comes with these bags of kinetic sand. So the kinetic sand, it's not like sand that just like falls in between your hands. Like it's like a mix between like a Play-Doh and a sand. Kids love it because of the texture. And it's a great base to put the different pieces in. So this one has like a castle and a unicorn. Your kids can decorate it however they like. You could use everything that it comes with, or you could put in what you want. There's different ones available. There's like a unicorn, a dinosaur, fairies. So depending, ocean ones, so cute. So depending on what your kids are into, or if you're buying this as a gift, you have different options. My daughter also thought it'd be fun to just put her own stuff in here. I have 3 kids. I have a 9, a 3, and an 11-year-old, and all of them are into it. This is a plastic, so it's not going to, like if it falls down, it's not going to shatter or anything. But the material is nice. So what's also fun about this, and what kind of makes it different and special and like an awesome gift, is that it comes with this piece that is a light. So you can then turn this on and have the remote comes with it too. It comes with the battery, so everything that you need is with it. And you could turn different colors. You can have it on like as a night light where you'll have the time. So it glows nicely. Like it's pretty bright in here right now. So it's, you can't see how much it does glow, but it does glow really nicely and super fun. If you need a gift for somebody, if you're looking for an activity to do with your kids that will keep them entertained, you can collect things and put them in here. It just like evolves. Like it doesn't have to be one thing. This is perfect. And then they can use it as a nightlight, and they'll have like pride in it because they made it. So really cute, happy with this, and definitely recommend it to anybody. I would pick it up.